Hi guys, my name is Jared. I'm one of the co-founders here at Legitimate, and I just want to take a few minutes to show you some of the new AI features that we've rolled out into our text editor. So we're currently in the home screen of the tool suite, and from the quick launch bar at the top, I'm going to select editor from the range of tools. Okay, and you can see we're in the editor. All of your previous documents are at the side. I'm going to select a new one. And you'll see front and center here, this Ask Cicero panel. And this is our current AI features. Cicero is Legitimate's own AI tool. And we're going to start with this first feature for ideas. So today I'm interested in writing about renewable energy in Germany. And I'm going to ask Cicero to give me some ideas for that. Okay, you'll see it's given me 5 suggestions here. And I'm just going to go with the first one. The remarkable growth of renewable energy in Germany. I'll look into its success story. Now that I've got that title, I'm going to open up the titles panel and I'm going to see if Cicero can improve on that using journalistic best practices for click-through rate and SEO. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Energy revolution, the astonishing success behind its rapid growth. Okay, it's given me 3 alternatives. Just quickly looking, I like the sounds of the first one, so I'm going to go with it. Now that I've got the title for this article, I want to build out the outline and the structure for it. So what Cicero will do is, again, always using journalistic best practices, it will build an outline of how I should structure this article and basically include a list of everything that I should include and reference when I'm writing this out. And you can see here it's broken up into sections, and within those sections bullet points and subheaders, etc. So you can look through this, decide what you want, what you don't. Maybe due to time constraints or audience, you will change some of these, and you can just take these out as you choose. So now if you're happy with your outline and you want to start writing your article, you can begin. Before that though, I want to ask for some references. So I'm going to ask really quickly to get me some references. And you can see it's brought me back 5 here, and unlike ChatGPT and other AI tools, if I open these, there is no hallucination with Cicero. All of these links are 100% accurate and real. So I also want to gather some statistics for this article, and I'm going to ask it to do that too. And there you can see again, it's given me back 5. I'll load them all up to prove that they're all real, and you can see Statistica is the first one. So really fast, I've now got the ideas, title, outline for writing my article, and the references and statistics that I need to back it up. So what I'll do quickly then, for the sake of this video, I'm going to just paste in a rough draft of an article, and I'll just edit it really quickly. Sorry that I didn't do this in advance. Okay, so can maybe get that page 2, etc. So now that I've got my article created, what I want to do is get a readability score for it. So Cicero will use the Flesch Kincaid grade score, and this is really good for giving, ask it again. This is really good for asking and gathering a score for how easy your article is to read. And you can see it's given a 64 here. And if I look at the score, it's easily understood by 13 to 15-year-olds. So this is how you can maybe use a persona if you're a publication and you've got a persona with a score, you can compare it to make sure that you're writing at the correct kind of level for your audience. So now my article's complete. I want to generate the metadata, and this is something that is a pain for a lot of journalists and writers, having to go and create all of these tags. And now you've just saved yourself 10 to 15 minutes here in a few seconds with meta title, description, keywords, your open graph tags and Twitter tags, all using best practices for length and click-through and engagement, etc. And you can just click here at the side to copy those as you need. Finally, I'm going to go to the editorial review. So, created my article. The last thing I want to do before I submit it is ask Cicero to put its editorial hat on and review this article and maybe offer some final suggestions on how I might improve it. And you can see here, it's given me a couple of paragraphs of things I could do to improve based on journalistic best practices, as always. And that's a quick overview, guys. You can see a word count and estimated reading time as well. What Legitimate is trying to do, and what we're trying to do here, is empower journalists to have all of the tools they need to be more efficient using AI. So Legitimate and Cicero doesn't write the article for you. That, we believe, still needs to rest with the journalist, but we will give you everything else you need to write that article in the best, most efficient and effective way that you can. Thanks, guys. I hope you like that.